Hello there, welcome to Dateline Lagos. I'm Loretta Chiogo. Let's see what's coming up on the program this week. Victims of Itafaji collapsed building get relief materials. Governor Akinwumi Ambode performs pre-launch of $50 million manufacturing factory in Lekki. Lagos State public servants undergo training for better performance. And the Lagos State Fire Service Director, Razaki Musbao, and 6 others have regained their freedom. Lagos State Governor Mr. Akinwumi Ambode has performed a pre-launch of a $50 million manufacturing plant in Lekki Free Trade Zone, expressing optimism that the facility will create jobs and boost the nation's foreign exchange earnings. Let's see.
The Lagos State Governor, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, is still performing his responsibilities by creating investment and job opportunities in the state, even as it counts down to his last day in office.
Products and services to its distributors around.
This time, Governor Ambode is in Lekki Free Trade Zone to perform a pre-launch of a $50 million manufacturing plant in the area. Without wasting time, the governor takes the stage. He's optimistic about the upcoming factory, which is another achievement of the state government. It is expected that the facility will not only attract investors into the state, but also improve its economy.
One of the most fulfilling feelings in life is to see one's efforts yield positive results. It gives me immense satisfaction to be here today, to witness this pre-launching ceremony of Longrich, Nigeria manufacturing plant, which is being located in this Lekki Free Zone here where we are today. At the inception of this administration, one of our core focus was attracting investments to our state to create employment for our people and wealth for our investors. Today's event is one of those crowning moments that confirm that our efforts have been rewarded. This is going to be the first manufacturing plant of the Longrich products being put in an export processing zone. So what does that mean for us? Apart from the fact that it's going to create employment for our people, we're going to use products here and actually export them to other parts of Africa. So what have we achieved? We're creating employment, we're improving on the GDP of Lagos, and by extension GDP of Nigeria, and actually also creating opportunities for the over 1 million people who are partners with Longrich in the product, and expand and be able to also replicate this particular plant in other parts of the country. So it's a win-win. And that's what the dream of a free trade zone is. And one is, being satisfied that, in the course of history, one has been part of this success story also.
This initiative is being put together through the partnership of Longrich Group of Companies and Lagos State. And Governor Ambode appreciates the company's decision to site the factory in Lagos because it will provide employment for the youth.
We'll continue to ensure we play our role as business enablers. We'll continue to work to provide the necessary infrastructure and services required to support all investors and businesses who decide to make Lagos their home. Our administration has embarked on massive and ambitious projects. We have introduced public sector reforms and policies at making it easier to do business in Lagos. Our governmental institutions like the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperatives, Office of Public-Private Partnership, and Office of Overseas Affairs and Investment are more than ever before in the forefront of providing an enabling business environment for local and foreign investments to thrive. There are just a few indicators to assure you of our commitment to securing not just Longrich investments in the southwest quadrant of Lekki Free Zone, but to secure and attract more investments to Lagos.
The chairman of Longrich, Mr. Zhu Jiwei, appreciates the state government for the opportunity to invest in Lagos, saying the setting up of the factory would fully take off in October 2019.
受我们中国共产党习主席“一带一路”的动，我们走向了非洲的第一个国家尼日利亚。Based on the policy announced by our Chinese government President Mr. Xi Jinping, the Belt and Road policy, we decide to open the Africa market, and Nigeria is the first one.
This project has been identified as one that will boost the nation's foreign exchange earning from exportation of manufactured products to other African countries, and at the long run, provide job opportunities for people in the state.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise.